Hello, my name is Hania Khalili and I'm working in Multimedia Communication Laboratory in the School of Engineering Science at Simon Fraser University. My research is in 3D sound wave reproduction for immersive communication. Part of my research involves evaluation of the quality of the reproduced audio by human subjects. We collect this data by playing samples of the reproduced audio clips for randomly selected individuals and asking them to compare them to the original clip. We then use statistical analysis to score each method of audio reproduction and find the confidence interval for each method.
Hello everyone, my name is Amanmeet Garg. I'm a PhD student in the School of Engineering Science. I work in the domain of medical image analysis, where we get the medical imaging data and use statistical tools to process them and get useful results. So my research uses brain MRI data, where we process the data to get features and segmentations for anatomical structures. These features are then further used with statistical tools such as linear regression, where we try to use the features and predict clinical scores or other measures which are relevant for the clinicians in the hospitals. So in a big picture, this is how we use a simple tool such as linear regression for use in medical imaging research.
My name is Shaqaiq Hossainpour. I received my master's degree in 2014 in biomedical engineering from Simon Fraser University, working in the microinstrumentation lab. My research focused on the design and fabrication of a micro-sized device to enable the study of the function of vascular cells and the relationship between the cell shape and the amount of nitric oxide released from the cell. We modified the cell shapes using microchannels of 4 different sizes. Fluid samples were collected and nitric oxide was detected and measured. Statistical tools played a major role in the analysis of the final data. We computed the mean and the variance for each group and used this information to determine if there was a significant difference between the amount of nitric oxide released by cells of different sizes.
My name is Ali Zarei. I'm a PhD candidate working in the Sierra Wireless Communication Laboratory in the School of Engineering Science at Simon Fraser University. My research is on wireless cooperative communication systems. In cooperative systems, as in any wireless communication channel, randomness of the channel conditions as well as additive noise play a major role in causing disturbance to the system. Thus, in order to study the operation of systems I design, I need to generate random samples that simulate the variability of the channel or randomness of the noise. Knowledge of probability theory in statistics is in order to be able to create random samples from various probability distributions such as normal or Rayleigh.
My name is Seun Lee and I'm a PhD student at the School of Engineering Science working in the Medical Image Analysis Lab. My research is in morphometric analysis of ophthalmic optical coherence tomography images. Our aim is to investigate the morphological characteristics of the optic nerve head and peripapillary region in individuals with myopia and glaucoma. As part of my research, I collect samples of clinical images of the optic nerve head and measure relevant parameters such as retinal nerve fiber layer and choroidal thickness and Bruch's membrane depth. I then use statistical tools to find the correlation between changes in optic nerve head shape and measurements with factors such as aging, myopia, and diseases like glaucoma.